Let's see if this fits. Okay, so that looks like that's going to fit. If you can see down in there, looks like it fits pretty good. So I'll get that middle piece mocked up and we'll get her welded in. Ready to go. There's from underneath. There's a little bit of fill work to do on the side, but really set. That gap is so it'll drain. That's a drain hole, so that needs to be left open. Next step is to get the new frame rail prepped and ready to go. There's the old rail. I need to drill the holes where the old spot welds were, duplicate that on the new rail, as well as, see that great big hole? That's where the date codes were. And that needs to be put into the new rail. Here's just a quick test fit. So you can see how nice and tight that fits. Then I'll take it back out, mark the holes, mark for the drill holes anyway. For my plug welds. Okay, so old one, new one. Here's the spot welds. I'm just duplicating the pattern. Mark these so I can drill them out. Same on the bottom. A whole bunch of them. This is underneath. You can kind of see that what I'm doing here. Over here's the other one we replaced before. Just over here. And there's the other one we just prepped to put the holes in and whatnot. Just right here. It's really pretty clean underneath here. Too bad that guy sandblasted it and didn't protect it. But the metal's pretty good. All the white is good. There's just that surface rust, the kind of orangey stuff here and there. Not too bad, really. So the new floor support's in. You got your plug welds here, down here in the bottom. I did forget to do a couple, so I'm gonna have to drill out here. There should be 4 of them here. There's some tabs on the back side. So I'll fix that, and then hopefully we'll move on to the rest of it. Holes are all drilled out. I'm ready to weld that up. I also ground down a lot of the stuff in the bottom. So let's weld her up. Okay, so I'm getting ready to tack in this piece here. I had to cut that out to get the old floor support out. So I'll tack that in real quick. So I didn't weld that all the way around. I've still got to get that floor support made up with that piece. So I'm going to kind of play with that, see how it goes. Garage cat. Okay, looks like I'm done with this side. At least that part of it anyway. That's where I welded the reinforcement pan back together. There was a pretty good gap right here in between. I closed that up real easy. I just, when I took this out, I bent it, so it kind of screwed it up a little bit. So I spot weld or tack welded. I tack welded all this in and then bent it as I went. When I bent onto here, when I hammered on here, that pushed it down. Put a clamp on it, bent it, and it was perfect. No issues, everything's tight here. Maybe too tight right here. The floor has to go in eventually. So I'll have to address that and pull it down or something. Anyway, that's the finished product on the inside. Thanks for watching.